All right, so here's the process for creating all the files, the presentations, and screenshots that we need to do to make this a successful holiday workshop. It says option submission requirement 1, attach the 3 AI files to this Echo assignment. So you go to the Echo assignment, you locate your files. Those should be probably in your documents folder. They should be named first name, last name, your block, the holiday, and something relevant to the design. I'm just going to use my robot sample as this or for this video. Okay, you can do that 3 times. All right, one for each of your files. Then add to Google Drive your 3 Adobe Illustrator templates in the appropriate holiday workshop folder. So you'd go to this folder that's linked there. You'd find, in this case, Christmas. You would double click that folder. It will take a moment to load. Here it goes.
Please pardon this interruption. Tamaya Carter, please come to the main office. Tamaya Carter to the main office.
All right. And once it's loaded, you can go to New, File Upload, find your file in your Documents folder, double click it or click Open, and it should down here say 1 upload complete. There it is, and it was probably sorted automatically by last modified. I should be able to see my name here, the block, and at least the holiday, and the image should be there too. If I then screenshot this area here, or just screenshot this whole area here, I can see that my name has this file submitted. So that is the screenshot of the file being submitted that is required from step number 3. The fact that the file is there is step number 2. The fact that the file is screenshotted, that screenshot would be submission requirement 3, showing me that you have added that file to there. Next up, on Google Slides, add a slide for each design. So you can click this link here. I've created a template on page 2, and it requires all of this information to be filled in for yours. Don't just leave my information, please, including the name. Make sure you change the name of your title to something relevant to your design. This image here shows a screenshot from Adobe Illustrator of your artboard. So you can zoom out a little bit. I would change your stroke weight to something like 1 or 2 so people can see it. I would screenshot that. So you would save your screenshot, and then I'll do it now. You can just screenshot that, and then go into your folder here, and you can just place that and just replace that design there. And then you could do, let's say line it up. There we go. You can go over here and take one more screenshot of just your robot itself and report back to here. We can delete that and put that there. And there we go. We've got that. And then to create this link, please go back to Google Drive, click these 3 dots, click Share, copy link. You can copy that link and go into here and paste that link. There we go. And you could put in the title. Please do. Put in the title of it. So first name, last name, 1 Christmas robots. Take this link again. If you had written this first, you could do that as well. Highlight this and click the link button, which is right here. If it doesn't show up, you might have to hit these 3 dots. All right. And paste the link there. And there's that. You can delete my link. There we go. And there we go. That would add the link. Everything else, please take a moment to update that as well. That gets the link there. On Echo, attach a screenshot of your slides, it says. Go to the workshop, take a screenshot of this slide, attach that to Echo. Do that for all 3 slides. And the last one, submission number 6. On Echo, 3 screenshots of the AI files with vector draw and vector cut layers shown. That is simply going to here, turning on your layers panel, and have your vector cut and vector draw layers. Those, once again, should be shown separate like this. When your file is saved and opened, Your vector cut and vector draw layers should have a stroke weight for all your lines of 0.01. All right, that is it. Do that 3 times, once for each design, and you will be good to go.